could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain.
Well, unfortunately guys, it's all pretty modern, super modern around here. I have just spotted this one, which I quite like. It's vintage, probably 70s, 60s. It's a wine bottle, and on the base it does say property of. I can't read the text on that embossing yet. I like the call it a fish scale design there. I will take this one back to clean up and investigate a little further. There we go. Well, there's an old road sign. Let's see if we can figure out which road. Torridon Road. Gosh, I'm not even sure where that is. I'm going to have to look that up on Google Earth. Alright, one road sign. Well, there's another broken record. Ha. As usual, the label's long gone. Well, famous last words. There's kind of a label on that. Can't read it though. It's a shame. The old multi-pistol. It's a toy gun. See if I can pop it out of here. There we go. The old multi-pistol toy gun. I'll put that straight in my bag so I don't cause alarm. I'm not even going to pull that bottle out of there. It's another Thomson Lewis molecular design soda bottle. It'll be 60s or 70s. I have found so many of these lately that that one can stay for a treasure hunter or a bottle digger in the future to find. Well, there's another milk station bottle. It's pretty modern, not vintage. It's got the mills. Reasonable condition. I'll clean it, probably end up in my recycling bin or donate it to my local charity shop. Hey guys, well this spot is practically all modern, a little bit of vintage, including this one, which has come from that spot right there. It's got a nice, I call it a curly whirly design on the shoulder, and in fact it says at the heel this bottle belongs to the Curly Cordial company. So crown top, I think this is a little beauty. Cool. Well guys, you know, it's always one last bottle and it's usually on the way out. It's not that exciting really, but it's a Lee & Perrins sauce bottle. It's embossed through the shoulder there, and down one side, I need a drink. It says this bottle is the property of, so this makes it probably 50s or 60s, so it's a vintage sauce bottle. I'll take this one out and clean it up. It's kind of cool. Nice.